How we can fix TikTok couldn't upload video. The video was saved to your draft issue. Solve. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok logo and hold for 3 seconds. Now tap on app info here. Click on this app info here. Now here you have to click on storage and cache. After that, tap on clear cache at the right bottom. After doing all this, you have to update your TikTok to the latest version. Now here you have to open your Play Store and update TikTok to the latest version. In this way you can fix TikTok couldn't upload video. The video was saved to your draft issue. Solve. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.